So let me create a PO. Let's suppose I just want to purchase some material. First, I will create a PO simply. So create a PO. Take any supplier number, header, material, quantity, net price, plant. Okay. Delivery date, let me change it because it's 2 days date only. Okay. So I run this. Okay, so let me check and let me save. So PO is created. This is my PO number, standard PO. Okay. Let me go to goods receipt in Migo and let me do goods receipt against purchase order. So I will just mention PO number here. Hit enter. Let me give my storage location. So I'm doing goods receipt against purchase order. So for that, let me explain again. Just use T code MIGO or you can say MIGO. Okay. Just give your purchase order number here because we are doing goods receipt against purchase order. We can also do as per inbound delivery, like EWM consultant use these features, inbound delivery, outbound delivery. TM consultant use this, but as MM consultant, we just required purchase order. So we are doing goods receipt against purchase order. This movement type is important. So movement type is a unique movement type for all goods movement. So every goods movement will associate a unique movement type. Like 101 is for goods receipt, 102 is for cancellation, 122 is for return delivery. Like that, all movement types are unique movement types, right? Like like everything, whatever we will do, all these settings we will use, all will associate a unique movement type. So 101 is for goods receipt. Hit enter. Okay. And here, let me give storage location. Okay, just give storage location here. Like various tabs are available here: material tab, quantity, where, purchase order data, partner. We will see that one by one. But right now, what I'm doing in Migo T code, I'm just giving movement type 101 or 101, and I'm just giving storage location KS01 here. And let me check from here. So check it and just post it. Okay, so it's posted. Material document is posted. Now we are not facing any issue. So this is a sign like material document is posted. This is a sign like goods receipt is done. This is a sign simply. So material document is posted, right? Now what we will do? Now we will see like various updates that used to happen once we do a goods receipt. So we will see all these updates one by one because this is an interview question. So you can see I mentioned clearly in notes. In goods receipt, the goods are received into storage location against purchase order. T code is MICO. Goods received against purchase order, movement type is 101. Okay, just click enter. Check the tabs like material, quantity, where tab, PO data partner. Just check all these tabs. Okay, and just click item OK checkbox, enter storage location, and then post the document. Then what will be the updates? Once we just click post, you will see the below updations like material document is generated, stock quantity and value is updated, in PO header status is updated. So all these updates occurs, all these six updates occur. Okay, so let me show you one by one. So first, if you observe, once I posted that goods received, this document is generated, material document is generated. So this is a material document. So this is generated, right? So this is first update. Second is stock quantity and value is updated in material master record. Let me show you. If you just go to display, just select display from here, then what will happen now? I can display whatever goods received I just posted. I can display that document from here. So I will just select display, hit enter. Okay, and from here, now right now I'm in a display mode. So here my material is there in quantity tab, like 100 quantity I have ordered and 100 quantity I'm receiving. We can also receive parcel quantity that I will explain you. But here we just received 100 quantity. Where tab, so in where tab, movement type is there, plant is there, storage location is there. Purchase order data, like this is a purchase order number. Okay. So first update, if I just come again, material document is generated. So this is a material document number. This is already generated. This is a sign like goods received is done or goods received document is posted. This is a sign for that. Second is stock quantity and value is updated in MMR in Metal Master Record. So simply just do one thing, na? Just go to Metal Master Record. How can I go to Metal Master Record from here? Simply just double click on this material number. Just double click. It will take you to Material Master Record screen. So this is basic data 1, basic data 2. All tabs are here, right? So where I can see that price and quantity and all these things, where I can see simply in accounting one view. So I will go to accounting one view. From here itself I can switch to any view. So right now I'm in a display mode of Metal Master Record and I just switch to accounting one view. So from here I can simply see standard price is updated, okay, value is updated, quantity is updated, okay. So this like this is a per piece, this is a standard price. So this inventory value is updated. Inventory value, like if per piece is 100, okay, this is a standard price, but this is a price. So whatever quantity we have ordered, it's updated here, right? So all this material master record value and quantity is updated. Next update. In PO, header status is updated. So if you just go to purchase order, I will just go back from here. I will again came back to that material display mode of that Migo screen. Okay. So if I just go to purchase order data and I just double click on that purchase order, it will take me to the purchase order screen. And here you can see in header tab, you can see in status tab, you can see ordered 100, delivered 100. Okay, this is also updated. So I just ordered for 100 quantity, complete 100 quantity is delivered. So this is also updated here. And if you just see 2000, so this is the value of that. Okay, because per piece 20 rupees is the value. So 100 into 20 is 2000 USD. So that's also updated, right? So this is third update. Okay, fourth update. Yeah, one more thing here. In purchase order itself, na, in header tab in status, once it's invoiced, like here you can see still to delivered is 0, delivered is 100, but invoiced is 0. Okay, because we didn't make that invoice verification and we didn't post invoice verification document. That's the reason it's showing 0 here, right? So what we need to do right now, we just like once we just do the invoice verification, then it will also be updated. But right now it's putting you 0 here. It's showing you 0 here. So status tab, from status tab in purchase order, in status tab we can track how much ordered, how much delivered, how much still to delivered, how much already invoiced, how much down payment is done. Everything we can track from status tab, right? So this is third update. Fourth update is in PO item detail, in purchase order, in item detail tab, purchase order history tab is generated. Let me show you. If we just go to purchase order, by just double click on this purchase order number, okay. So if we just go to this purchase order screen, display purchase order, and we just go to item detail, we can see purchase order history tab is generated. So once we just click on purchase order history, we can see this is a goods receipt document, GR document, right? So this is also updated because we already completed goods receipt. So this earlier, if you observe, once we create a purchase order, at that time this tab was not there. Purchase order history tab was not there earlier. But once we just posted that goods receipt document, this tab is also generated, purchase order history. So we can see everything. Like this is our material document number or GR document number. On which date it's posted, how much quantity is there, how much value is there, everything is there, right? This is also updated, right? This is fourth update. Fifth update, in PO delivery complete indicator is selected in auto. Let me show you. I have to open this again in Migo. Let me go to display, select display and hit enter, because every time it's just take the last material document number. If you want to change this, you can also change this, but it just pick last material document number, right? If you want to change that, you can also change. You can remove, and whatever material document number you want to give, you can give. But by default, it's just pick last document, whatever is posted, whatever goods receipt is posted, that material number it's taking, material document number. Okay. So fifth update is here in purchase order data tab, this delivery complete indicator is selected. So these both checkbox are selected because complete quantity is already delivered. So delivery complete indicator is selected here, right? This is fifth update. Again, I just back. I have to go again. Okay, this is fifth update, and sixth update is in document info. Financial documents are generated. So these are the financial document, accounting document you can say. So accounting document is also generated. Like you can see, this is GRIR clearing account, and this is okay goods receipt account. So one is credit, one is debit. Why? Because that amount we have to pay. That's why it's showing debit, and this for that amount we just receive the goods, but we have to pay this amount. Okay, that's why it's negative, it's positive. Okay, so these are accounting document, so these also generated. So total how many updates are there? Total 6 updates are there. If let me revise it quickly. First is material document is generated. Second, stock quantity and value is updated in material master record. Third is in PO header status is updated. Fourth is in PO in item detail purchase order history tab is generated. And this fifth one is delivery complete indicator is selected in auto. And sixth is accounting documents are generated. So total 6 updates are there, right? Total 6 updates are there. So it's recommendation to you whenever you are doing a goods receipt, initially check every update so that if interviewer is going to ask to you, you can easily answer that whatever updates are there. Understood? Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Now what we will do, like we can also do a goods receipt for partial quantity. How we can do that for partial quantity? Let me show you. So let's suppose now if we just want to do for a partial quantity. Partial quantity means what happen? Let me show here. That also we can do. So let's suppose we are creating a fresh field. Let me create a material also. Okay, mm0. Let me take mat 2025. Let me quickly create a material master record. Storage location. Enter, enter, enter. Valuation class 3000. Per unit price. Let me take 10 rupees simply. 10 USD. Okay, price control is V. Okay. So here inventory value will come. Okay. And here this is the per unit price. So for that price control V stand for moving average price and S stand for standard price. So moving average price, I'm taking 10 rupees per piece, right? And this we have to mention. If we are taking as standard price, then we need to mention this field. Okay, but for that variable price, okay, or moving average price, we have to give this field per unit price. Okay, hit enter and save it. This is material. So this material we have created. Let me create PO with this material. So check and save it. So this PO we have created, right? So let me copy this PO number in Notepad for my future reference. This is my PO number, right? What I will do, I just want to do a goods receipt, but for partial quantity. How much quantity I have ordered? Let me check. I didn't remember. I guess 100 I took. Let me check. We just ordered 100 quantity. So 100 quantity we have ordered. Net price is 10 USD. So 100 quantity we have ordered. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let's suppose we just ordered 100 quantity. Okay. And we just send this PO to supplier or vendor. And vendor is saying, sir, I can't deliver that quantity, 100 quantity. What I can do, I can deliver like tomorrow, I can deliver 70 quantity and remaining 30 quantity I will deliver next week. So then it's fine. Okay, because it can happen right, in the business scenario, in the real time, it can happen like we just ordered 100 quantity and urgently we just require 100 quantity, but the supplier is saying, sir, I can only provide 70 as per now, 30 I will provide next week. So if this is the business process, this is the requirement, how we are going to do the goods receipt? We are going to do goods receipt only for 70 quantity, only for partial quantity. We will not do for complete 100 quantity. So in that case, we will just go to Migo goods receipt and we will simply go to goods receipt, moment type 101, and we will simply mention our purchase order number here, hit enter. And here in quantity tab, we will just mention instead of 100, we will mention 70 quantity. 100 total quantity we have ordered, but we are going to receive only 70 right now. 30 we are going to receive after some time. Okay, so 70 I'm going to put it here. And if I will just take you to this where tab, from here you can see the stock overview. From this icon in where tab, in this icon, you can see stock overview. So once I click on this stock overview icon, you can see simply here 100 quantity is in on order stock. Why it's in on order stock? Because I have ordered 100 quantity. Once I will post that goods receipt, it will come here in company's premises. Whatever storage location and plant I will select, it will come on that. And it will come either in unrestricted use or quality inspection or reserve stock. Whatever I'm going to select, it will come as per that. But by default, it just come in unrestricted use. If I want to change to quality inspection and reserve, I will tell you how to do that. But by default, it will come to unrestricted use. Right now, I am doing goods receipt for 70 quantity. So 70 quantity will come here in unrestricted use. And still 30 will remain in on order stock. On order stock means we have ordered to supplier. Supplier need to send this to us. That means on order. We have already ordered. Right? Go back. Okay. Just click item. Okay. Give storage location here. Okay. Quantity 70. Yes. Check if any error is there. So you can see this will also give you warning, like a notification you will get. Whatever comes in yellow color is a warning. Whatever comes in red color is an error. Warning we can overpass, but errors we can't overpass. So this is a warning simply. So here it's a warning, and that we can overpass. And here you can see deficit of PO quantity 30. This is a warning. That simply means we have ordered 100 quantity, but we are just doing a goods receipt for 70 quantity. 30 quantity is deficit for that. Okay, for this material, for this plant, for this storage location. This is a warning. Okay, system is giving me notification. System giving me information. So I can ignore that warning. Yes, save it. Or you can say post. Don't say post it. Just post that document. So this document is posted. Let me save it on Notepad. Okay. And what I will do now, I will display that document. Simply go to display, hit enter. Okay. Once we just go to display, we can see 70 quantities came here. Okay. And it will come to unrestricted use. If I have changed from here, na, like at the time of Migo, if I change to quality inspection or blocked stock, then that goods receipt will come in a quality inspection and block. But by default, it will go to unrestricted use. Let me show in where tab. Just go to where tab, go to stock overview. So from here, you can see unrestricted use 70, on order 30. Okay. How much quantity I have ordered? 100 quantity. But I just received 70 now. 30 I will receive after some time, whatever vendor have shared to me. So 70 quantity is there, right? So what I will do, go back. But if I will see that updates, you will see these updates. Let me go one by one. First of all, material, like in metal master record, value and quantity will be updated. So you will see in accounting one view, just see simply here 10, inventory value 700, because 70 quantity we have received. So 70 into 10 is 700. Okay. So inventory value 700 and per price is 10. Okay. It's not for complete 100 quantity. For 100 quantity, that must be 1000. But it's updated only for 70 quantity. So it's updated in accounting one view. Price, value, and quantity is updated. Second thing is, second update is, yeah, first update is material document is generated. That's already done. Second update is metal master record, price, quantity, and total value is updated. So this is second update. Third update is, third update is in purchase order. Once I go to purchase order, in status tab, in header, in status tab, it's updated. Ordered 100, delivered 70, still to delivered 30. So this is also updated. This is third update. Fourth update that in that purchase order itself, in item detail, once you go to purchase order history, you can see it here, right? This is also updated, right? This is also updated. Like this is a GR document posted on 26 February for 70 quantity. This is unit of measurement. This is total value. This is currency. That's also updated. So this is fourth update, right? Fifth update, sorry. Fifth update is in purchase order data tab, you can see this is not updated right now. Why? Why both are not both checkbox are not check mark? Reason is
Because it's not
because
complete, it's
complete,
only
yeah,
partial.
Exactly, because complete quantity is not delivered yet. This is the reason. Perfect. Right. So this is the reason because once we will once a vendor will deliver remaining 30 also, then both checkbox will be selected. Okay. But right now complete delivery is not completed yet. That's the reason both checkbox are not check marked. And last update, if we see document info, financial document, accounting document, accounting document, if you see accounting document here, it's taking some time. It's taking some more time. I don't know what's the reason. Let me log in again. Yeah, it's done. So you can see that accounting document is also updated for 70 quantity, not for 100 quantity. 70 into 10, 700. Okay. For this, like we are going to receive the goods, raw material, and this is GRIR clearing account. So this we have to make the payment. Okay. So that's the reason one is debit, one is credit, credit and debit. Okay. So this is also updated, but updated only for 70 quantity. Let me do one thing. Let me do goods receipt for parcel quantity, whatever is remaining. Item okay. Go to quantity. Remaining 30 I'm giving here. Okay. Let me give storage location here. If I want to put in another storage location, that also I can do. If I want to put in KS02, that also I can do. Check. And from here I can change. If I want to put that in quality inspection, I can put in quality inspection. But it's better to put in unrestricted use. By default, it's selected as unrestricted use. Okay. So check and post. So this is done. Now, if I go to display, you will see everything will be updated now. If you go to material master record, in accounting one view, this is updated. This is 1000. Okay. If I will change next time the price, this will also update. This is a moving average price. Let's suppose in purchase order, instead of a 10, next time if I will take 12, so it will take a moving average price 12 plus 10 upon, like it will how that the moving average price is calculated. It will be calculated like 10. Let's suppose 100 quantity I'm ordering for 10 rupees. Again, 100 quantity I'm ordering for 12 rupees. So how next time that moving average price will be calculated? Simply it will consider like 10 into 100 quantity, that means 1000, plus 12 into 100 quantity, that means 1200, divided by 20. Like that moving average price will be calculated. Okay. So this is also updated. And if you see here in purchase order data, in status tab, this is also updated. Ordered 100, delivered 100. Okay. And here in purchase order, delivery complete indicator is selected now because complete quantity is delivered, right? And financial document is also updated. If you see financial document, that's also be updated. Document info, FI document, accounting document. This is also updated, right? Now this is for remaining 300, for remaining 30 quantity. 10 into 30 is 300, right? This is also updated. So as an assignment, what you guys need to do, just do the goods receipt, okay? Both you just watch the lecture and repeat whatever I have done and see each and everything. What are the various updates? Okay, you must be aware like what are various updates there. And let me share you notes also.